You guys unexpectedly released the long-term strategy statement yesterday. I thought that's what I was going to be doing in September, was reporting on that. Do I need to take off the rest of September, or is additional policy forthcoming from the Federal Reserve?
Well, we go into every meeting and we look at what's happening in the economy and our forecast for what we think is going to be coming into the economy, and then we set our monetary policy that way. So nothing's changed. I mean, we released the statement because we had gotten it done. We as Chair Powell said yesterday, we encourage transparency.
Right.
We want to communicate. And so we released the statement because it was done, and Jackson Hole was a good place for him to expound on sort of it was a nice place for him to have a longer speech that actually talked about it.
Sure,
So,
but let me ask the question more.
September, we're going to evaluate what's going on in the economy as we always do, and we'll come out of that meeting with what we think is appropriate policy at that time.
I get that. Let me ask the question more seriously. I'm sorry. Do you feel at this point the Federal Reserve needs to do more to support the economy than it's doing right now?
Right. I do believe that the recovery is going to be a slow one, right? I think right now we're in the reopening phase, and some of those growth rates are going to look really good in the third quarter, right? But I do think that, there's more pain out there that we're going to have to support the economy through. And what that looks like, we're going to have to take our time to evaluate that over time. But I think accommodating monetary policy is going to be very important throughout this recovery. And I do believe that fiscal policy is going to need to be at the table, too, in order to support the economy going forward.